Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to update Clash Royale application on your mobile device. Whether you are using iOS or Android, updating Clash Royale is super easy. First of all, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. Now, tap on the search button at the bottom right and go to the search bar at the top. Type down Clash Royale in the search box. Look for the Clash Royale application and after you open up the info section, look for an update button if available. If you don't see the update button, that means you are currently running the updated version itself. But if you see an update button, tap on it so that you can download the latest release of Clash Royale. So that's it. That's how you easily update Clash Royale app on your mobile device. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more videos like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.